Well, I just finished writing this recipe, steak marinade. These days, when I produce a recipe, it is really quite complete, and I wanted to show you that. What I do, I designed these so that they will work in a 3-ring binder if someone wants to keep their recipes that way. I have this so that they can be printed the right way, and you get a fantastic recipe that's very well written. All of the instructions are numbered to help you keep up with things, and you got a good bullet points on your ingredients. It makes following these recipes just a whole lot easier. Now, right now, if you want, you can get this one, the cinnamon rolls, for free. I'm offering it for free on my website. Just go there. You can download it, see if it's the kind of recipe and the way you like recipes written. See if you like that. And if you like that recipe, well, you know where you can get a whole lot more right there on my website, and that is S.A.Trotter.com. And these are the same recipes that I do on my cooking videos on YouTube for Texas Cooking Today. Right there.